Now, if you're wondering why everybody's looking at me, this is a beautiful house in Kent, and you can see all the oak beams and everything, and it's got kind of damp problems. No, well, these are lime plastered walls, and there's water or something in them. We're trying to work out. That's a patch of a damp man's wonder job. This is that's wonderful tanking, waterproofing plaster on there, and you can see that where the waterproofing plaster finishes, there's water coming out of the wall, and this is beautiful local lime plaster sitting on the wall, disintegrating as a result of Wally Dampman. Now, people might say, where's the water coming from? Well, for that we need to dig the floor up, and when we dig the floor up, we find something I've never ever seen before, and it's actually, I'll tell you what, it's drying out as you look at it. You look at this gravel now. You see it? It's starting to dry.
It's lightening off.
Yeah. We don't quite know what this is, but the wooden boards are laid directly onto a sort of tarry substrate, and underneath it is what is, I hesitate to call it limecrete. I think you could almost call this, I don't know, it's a cross between road planings and, I don't know, it's quite soft. It's about 4 inches deep, and underneath it is local clay. So we've got just basically a clay layer with this tarry limecrete sitting on top of it, which, as we're talking, is actually starting to dry out. So what's causing the problem is this bitumen layer on top, and the timber's completely covered in it. And the white fluffy stuff on the timbers, I think, is salts that are migrating through. It's water coming up through the bitumen and drawing salts through the material underneath and depositing them between the floorboard and the bitumen as salts. So these are calcium, magnesium, sulfates and nitrates that are being deposited under the floorboards. So our problem now is what to do with a room. I suspect that we'll probably dig it out and put a limecrete floor down, but it's not the kind of thing you expect to find in a beautiful home that's only just been bought, moved in, and we've got high moisture content. We've had the thermohygrometers on in here, and the hygrometers are giving us about 62-65% relative humidity, which is way over the 55 that we're looking for. So there you go. Very strange.